Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Tacoma SRT5 here. Today we are working on a 2004 Chevy Trailblazer with a 4.2 liter inline 6-cylinder. We had an issue with the mode door only blowing on the windshield and on the floor, and we tried a routine that I found online about resetting the computer and the mode door, and it might work, it might not. It did not work, but what it did do is reset the computer. And once I started it again, the idle was all over the place, and if you turn the air conditioning on, then the car just dies. It did not do that before. Maybe something just happened, I don't know. So what I'm going to do is something else I found online. The answer to that seems to be throttle body cleaning. So I've already gotten started, which kind of stinks, but might get the idea. This is the airbox area. There's a screw here, and one down below. This is the factory location for the air filter. The tube just goes into it. You're going to squeeze this like you would a mouthwash bottle, and it pops right off the tube. And then there's a plug right here that plugs into the tube for the sensor. And then there's a 10 millimeter here, a 10 millimeter here, and the hose clamp that clamps onto the throttle body. And what else here? There's a vacuum line right there, and that just sets down on top like that. And you get the whole thing out of the way. And when you get started, remove the battery terminal, because you're going to want to reset the computer, because now all that gunk is gone and it's not going to know it. So just start from scratch. You're going to squeeze down on this little lever here. That's going to release this, I think that's an idle air line, I'm not sure. This vehicle is new to me. And this is the electronic plug. You're going to back off this gray piece, and it's got a little catch on it, and then you can squeeze the tab right there and pull it out. And then undo 4 10 millimeter bolts, and you can take the whole thing right out. I've already cleaned this, and it is brand new and spotless compared to what it used to look like. I realize it's not new, but it's looking pretty good. The computer's unplugged. Here's the rag with all the nastiness I got up out of there. This goes to show you do not schedule maintenance for your car. It will schedule it for you, and sometimes you'll find out the hard way. So we're going to get this back together and go from there. I'll make a follow-up video on this, and we'll see how it goes on initial startup.